You need to force it to assume mistakes you find truly amusing. Let me explain. Neville, will you join me, please? Lisa, come on. Come on.
As fast as the camera.
Now, what frightens you most of all? Sorry? Professor Snape.
You get that over there?
Yes.
The shit we forgot last time. I need to, Emily.
It won't. I want you to speak to her clothes. Only her clothes, very clearly in your mind.
She carries a red handbag.
You don't need to hear. As long as you see it, we'll see it. And when I open that wardrobe, here's what I want you to do. Good. Can you do that? Yes. Wanders ready? One.
Do we hold it? No, don't touch it. Don't touch it!
I didn't touch it!
What you can do is get the dog out of here.
You know what? Why don't you go get him out of here?
Go! Last but not least, little dart, big line.